Good morning. This is Yogesh Phutnala, and this is my presentation for the Technology Management Project Proposal, the cybersecurity threats posed by AI, and the AI-based Adversarial Threat Defense Platform, which is also called as AATDP. So, getting to the next slide. This is an introduction part. Our main focus is on the cybersecurity AI-based threats. The central context is simple. The AI is being weaponized by the hackers at a rapid phase, as we know. This has been a critical impact on every industry as phishing, deepfake, and autonomous attacks threaten enterprises and the new upcoming entrepreneurs as well. My purpose is to propose the creation of AATDP, an AI defense platform. Uh, we must move to the cybersecurity from the reactive defense model from the adaptive, predictive, and the self-learning model. For the benefits, we have the speed, accuracy, and the automation. The risk is like the ethical concerns and the new attack vectors and the adversarial AI. So moving up to the next slide. Uh, AI and the machine learning are widely used in the different industries. The adoption of the AI creates a new specific vulnerabilities that malicious attacks exploitation. This is a component by an existing operational crisis, such as security operation centers are already being overwhelmed by the huge alert volumes, limited as the uh, resources and the talent shortages. For SSO, artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword. It offers the automation, but due to the poor training, it also introduced the bias and the blind spots it could get exposed. This challenge is significant. 78% of the uh, chief executive officers listed in the AI-related threats as a key security concerns. Advantage is that it gonna reduce the work amount, but the disadvantage is it gonna expose the blind spots and the other things. So moving up to the next slide. Uh, the problems that we often face is the use of the agentic system, increasing the automation. I mean, there is no person being getting need to be involved to an attack these days. Also, we've got to see the deep fakes and the model poisoning expanding the attacks. The threat environment is a dynamic because the malicious users are adopting the sophisticated technology, specifically agent systems that are which are automated, and it's a generative model to automate and expand the attacks. To enhance this unpredictable levels, we've also seen the state-sponsored attacks that are already been happening in today's era. A generative AI is consequently being attacked using the phishing attacks are also being used via AI, and the harmful vectors of attack demonstrating the adversary current of the technology uh, edge. I mean, it's the double-edged sword that we've been using. That alert has been attacked. Also, the Microsoft has also been attacked in recently. Moving up to the next slide. The key technical challenges, including the data poisoning, evasion, transferability, the white box, the black box, and the gray box. These techniques, including the data poisoning and the model evasion, allow the attackers to manipulate or deceive the AI models, and a foolproof defense is not yet been established. We are also seeing the new threats like emerging the AI malware malterminer, which can generate the ransomware autonomously. The sheer number of the autonomous AI agents further widens the attack surface beyond the human control. What happens is, due to this complex environment, mandates the platform that can actively defend against the model. The phishing email attacks we got to see this. Even the companies uh, are being getting exposed with this one. They are being attacked, and the trade secrets have been leaked. All this are the problems that we've been facing in this today's era. Moving up to the next slide. Our proposed remedy is for the AI-based adversarial threat defense platform. This is an adaptive multi-layered framework that integrates four critical elements: adversarial AI detection, zero trust, expansion, uh, and automated threat intelligence. The adversarial AI detector will use the machine learning modules being trained often previously on the databases and the attacks that been had also been done previously. Identify model evasion and the data poisoning attacks. Furthermore, the platform integrates the defense mechanisms such as the distillation, retraining to increase the robustness against these attacks. So this is the proposed solution for this thing. And the moving up to the next slide. The core element is the implementation of the zero trust security using a continuous authentication and the microsegmentation. This is the critical one for preventing the lateral movement within the AI threat architecture. We will also use the dedicated generative AI engine known as Threat AI to continuously simulate the adversarial behavior like phishing and deepfakes to proactively mitigate zero-day risks. To share the intelligence securely, we will implement the federal learning to share the threat signatures, reducing the detection latency. Finally, an explainable AI layer XAI is integrated, providing the audibility and ensuring the compliances with EU AI and Act the GDPR Act 2. We got to also see that the five core principles are main in this. One is the zero trust in a parasitism, assume the presence of the hostile actors, establish the identity, limited access, and the risk-based adaptive model. Uh, AI ensures the ethical compliances and the audibility and the regulatory adherence. So moving up to the next slide. So this is the gain chart that we've done. This is the systematic approach that how we're gonna do this in 18 months. So as you see from Q4 2025 to 2027, the project is structured into the logical blocks. Key phase is the 90 days. The integration zero. If you see this integration and zero trust, 90 days policy. Uh, it's being divided into the 35 days and the 25 days for the policy and the automation, and for the compliance and the audit testing is for the 30 days. The zero trust phase, the 60-day model development phase, and the 55-day pilot implementation, and the world training, the world training and the change is for the 60 days, and the full rollout and monitoring takes the 15 days. So this is what how our systematic approach is being done. For the infrastructure setup, if you see, we have given for the 80 days, but for the setup it's gonna take 20 days, and for the pipeline and integration itself it's gonna take 30 days. So this is how the chat is being done to make the things simple. Moving up to the next slide. Successful deployment requires four key considerations. First, a robust digital infrastructure is non-negotiable for the large-scale advisable analytics. The third, cross-industry collaboration through the public-private partnerships can improve a model accuracy, and final, workforce upskilling is essential to effectively manage the AI threat response. Cross-industry workforce upskilling, ethical and the legal compliances, and all this. Moving up to the next slide. We must anticipate and make the four key challenges. One is the organizational resistance to change, vendor lock, in interoperability, ethical and social risk, quickly evaluating the risk. And these are the references. The project is grounded in the current academic research and the industry reports, ensuring well supported and technology. And thank you. The AATDP is a strategic technology investment required to shift our security posture from reactive to defense to adaptive, AI, hence resilience. Thank you. I may leave now. Thank you for giving this opportunity.